So hello guys, welcome to Kotlin tutorial blog. Myself Ishang Dua, and today we will be learning how to make Kotlin do while loop in the Kotlin language. So before jumping onto the coding part, let's discuss that what is the Kotlin do while loop. Okay, so basically when say we have an entry condition is defined and we have to avoid the condition, in those cases we use the exit control loop, or you can say the do while loop. Basically, in simpler or in more meaningful words, we can say that when we check the condition or boolean expression at ending rather than before the start of the loop of the execution, as we have done in the while loop. So let's just start. Here we would be going on to create a new project. Would be selecting Kotlin JVM and would be naming the project as do while loop. We would be pressing finish. Going on to do while loop, going on to the source folder. Here we would be having a new Kotlin. We can name it as main file. Now here we will be writing the code for do while loop. Initially we have to make a function main, open the brackets. Now we would be taking here where sum equals 0 and where count say equal 1. After that we would be inserting the do while loop. So how the syntax goes on is like this: do, open the brackets, here give some conditional code, like we can say we can give sum equals count plus sum. After that we would be just giving print line, and inside the print line we would be giving sum after say $count natural number numbers numbers is $sum. Yeah. Now we would be closing it and would be incrementing count plus plus, and when the bracket where the brackets has been closed, we would be coming here and writing while, like giving the while condition count is less than equal to say 10. And after that we can just give a print line statement that sum of first 100 natural numbers is equals $num. So sum. Now we would be running it. Go to run main.kt. See, initially it has taken the output 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, 55 and equals to 55. So we can see that we have got the preferred output. Now we would be keeping it till here, and in the next lecture we would be learning many more loops and more interesting ideas. So stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching this videos. Kindly like this video, comment on the video so that we can get more useful comments from your side and can improve ourselves, and share the video to your friends and to the people who you think it will help, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever we add a new video you are always there. And thanks for watching.